Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very special unboxing for you. It's the Lookfantastic beauty chest for 2023. Same design as the advent calendar. Now this chest isn't available yet. This was kindly sent to me as a PR sample from Lookfantastic. As soon as I find out the details of a wait list and a release date, then I will share it everywhere. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel because I'll post up notifications in this video and also on my community tab and on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and things like that. You'll find all links to them listed down below. There is a little bit of information I can share with you. Inside contains 18 beauty products, of which 12 are full size. It has a value of £559, and going by the information I found on the website, I believe it's going to be on sale for £120. That's not confirmed yet. It's always around the £100 mark anyway, but as soon as I find out, I will let you lot know as well. If you're looking for something with a lot more products, then Lookfantastic's beauty advent calendar is still available. It costs £99. It is worth £565. It contains 27 products and 12 of which are full size, and I have a discount code to share with you, which is Advent Diary, and that will entitle you to have £10 off the advent calendar. There's a full unboxing on my channel. I'll pop a link to the calendar and my unboxing down below in the description. Lookfantastic have brought out a beauty chest for the last couple of years and I love them. I've got last year's in my little makeup and skincare room. It's a hallway really, with drawers and things like that. I've got it on a shelf and it's got lots of products in there. It's a keepsake box. So this is what it looks like. So you've got a top tray and they're all muddled up there. But you've got a bottom one as well. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the beauty chest. There's a QR code here, but at the moment, because it's not live, it's just showing me information about the advent calendar. Starting off with the smelliest thing in this advent calendar. Oh, we've got a candle from Neon Organics, and this is the Scent to De-Stress. A luxury scented candle with lavender, jasmine, and Brazilian rosewood. And it's a 75-gram calendar. All 100% natural fragrance to boost your wellness. So it's a little mini version. This is nice. I love the scent. I can smell it as soon as I open the chest. So you've got a candle. Then we've got a bath and shower gel by Molten Brown. This is orange and bergamot. There's 100 mils there. I love Molten Brown shower gels. Beautiful. My favourite is rhubarb. Is it? Oh, rhubarb and rose. Yeah, a bit unusual because I hate rose. But I absolutely adore it. Oh, I love it. Yeah, that's so lovely. Orange and bergamot there. Next up, we've got ELEMIS. This is the Pro-Collagen Vitality Eye Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle replenishing eye cream. And there's 15 mils here. Defined by nature, led by science, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines, expression lines and crow's feet, whilst reducing the look of dark circles and fatigue for a visibly lifted and brighter appearance. There. I love the Pro-Collagen range. And I'm not sure if I've ever had this Vitality Eye Cream. I don't think I have. I've had an eye serum, but not an eye cream. But yeah, look. Look. Oh, yeah, really excited about that. Next, we've got Rodial. This is Pink Diamond Instant Lifting Serum. Lift and illuminates diamond powder, skin tightness, and vitamin C. And this is full size, and there's 30 mils here. I love the packaging, it's so pretty. It's a triple action flash radiant serum for an immediate lift effect, even skin tone and luminosity with skin tightening enzymes, vitamin C and diamond powder. It says to gently massage into clean face, neck and décolletage with upward strokes for best results. Use twice daily before your moisturiser. I'm not sure if I've tried this. I've definitely haven't received a full size before. But maybe a mini, I don't know. But the Pink Diamond range is lovely. I do like Rodial. But anything to tighten and give a radiance to my skin, yeah, I'm all for that. Does it smell? No, not really. It hasn't got just normal natural smell then, you know. It's unfragranced. Oh, we got Natasha Denona. Oh, I love Natasha Denona. This is Bloom Highlighting Blush. Okay, is the shade Bloom? I think so. Maybe. I don't know. I've only ever tried the eyeshadows. And then in another advent calendar, I had a bronzer and a highlighter. I love the packaging. Look, it's a tin. Look. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that colour. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. But wow, let's try it. Oh. Yeah, it's nice. It is nice. See the difference. That is really pretty. I really like that. It's got a very subtle shimmer to it. Let's try a bit more. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty. I love a coral blush. Blush, did I say that right? Blush. Yeah, that is really, really pretty. We've got a highlighting blush from Natasha Denona in Bloom. I'm guessing that's what the name of it. Next up, we've got Olaplex. This is Olaplex number 8. It's a hair treatment mask, a bond intensive moisture mask for all hair types, and there's 100 mils there. I have got this, but in all honesty, when I bought it, I keep forgetting to use it. You're supposed to use it, say, once a week, something like that. I've still got one, and I've got a few little mini ones as well that I've had in different beauty boxes. It's a really nice mask. It's just I forget to use it. But yeah, what can I say? Infused with patented Olaplex bond building technology, this highly concentrated 4-in-1 reparative mask adds shine and body while providing intense moisture to treat damaged hair. So we got hair mask there by Olaplex. Next, you've got ESPA. This is an overnight glow enzyme peel. Overnight peel for glowing, refined and replenished skin, and for all skin types. And there's 30 mils there. I went to a spa. I live in West Wales, and a couple of weeks ago, me and my family went to Bluestone in Pembrokeshire. Just for a weekend. We stayed 2 nights there, and I went to the spa on my own. I am doing a video on it. I did take a few little bits in the spa. I've done a vlog of the weekend, so that'll be going up on my travel channel, which is Diary of a Travel Geek. There's a link down below if you want to follow me in vlogs and things like that. But yeah, the salon in Bluestone is so lovely. Oh my gosh, it's really, really, really great. And everything is ESPA. Everything. So when I was having a shower, I was using ESPA products. When I was washing my hands in the toilets, I was using ESPA products. Oh, it just smells amazing. I was really happy. So yeah, this enzyme peel. It says in the evening, massage 3 to 4 pumps into skin, stopping as soon as peel turns clear. Cleanse as normal in the morning. So there. The nutrient-rich overnight peel gently resurfaces skin for a plumped, refreshed and brighter looking complexion each morning. So there's that. Then we've got Ren Clean Skincare. This is a Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHA. Clean to the skin, clean to the planet, brightens and smooths, and there's 50 mils here. A proven, fast-acting exfoliating mask formulated to remove dead skin cells for a brighter, more luminous complexion. Skin radiance is improved, its texture is smoothed, refined and healthier looking. Oh, it says here actually, not suitable for sensitive skins. So you've got a face mask there with AHAs. Next we've got Murad. This is Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Masks, and there's a set of 2 masks in there. Yeah, I've used these many times. They're really nice. I love an eye mask just for feeling amazing, because they just feel amazing under your skin. Not when you're wearing them. I've got to be honest, I don't like the feel of them as such when I'm wearing them, but when I pull them off, oh, it just feels so nice and depuff. And yeah, they're ideal for applying just before like a night out or a special occasion or something like that. Yeah, I do really like them. And then the last of the top drawer, we've got Aromatherapy Associates London. This is a rollerball Revive Morning to energize and awaken. Experience the incredibly refreshing and invigorating powers of grapefruit, rosemary and juniper for an energetic start to the day. Great for aromatherapy on the go. There. I'll have a sniff now. To your pulse points. Yeah, I might have had this before. I have had a few rollerballs before. This is beautiful though. This is so nice. It's the sort of thing you pop in a handbag, isn't it? So you just have a sniff now and again, or sniff the rollerball. No, sniffing the rollerball, you're not getting as much from it. You need to put it on your skin. That is so nice though, I do like that. On the pull-out drawer then, we got Medik8, my favourite skincare brand at the moment. This is Clarity Peptides. I haven't got this one. 10% niacinamide infused peptide serum, and there's 10 mils. Is it 10? No, there's 30 mils there. Okay, a clear solution for stressed out skin. This soothing milky serum contains 10% niacinamide, zinc, PCA and advanced peptide technology. Helps to reveal a visibly clear, luminous complexion. That sounds great. That sounds really, really great. Apply Clarity Peptides across face, neck and décolletage. I'm using the Medik8, the vitamin C one. It's clear, milky. But this would be great for my skin at the moment. It's combination, but I'm starting to suffer from spots again. So yeah, I need to incorporate niacinamide more into my skincare. Serum by Medik8. Next, Elizabeth Arden. This is 8-hour cream, intensive moisturising. It's a hand treatment, and there's 30 mils here. I've had the cream, I've had the mist. I'm not sure if I've had a hand... Woo! I'm not sure if I've tried a hand treatment. Smell. It smells... The first thing that comes to my mind is bark. Why? I don't know. Yeah, it smells like a lemony bark. It feels so nice. Oh my gosh. It feels really, really nice. Got an 8-hour intensive moisturising hand treatment. Yeah, that is beautiful. And the smell is really, really nice. I know I describe it really randomly, but yeah. Then we've got shampoo and conditioner by Living Proof. This is full, from the full range, for thicker, fuller hair, and there's 30 mils there. Next up, we've got Shiseido. This is Benefiance Wrinkle Soothing Eye Cream, plumping. So this is like a little added extra, I suppose. It's a little sample, a 3 mil there. There. I love Shiseido. But yeah, you only need a tiny dab for eye cream. So even though that is so small, that would last you a good few goes. Then we got mascara by Swede. I love the packaging. I'll show you first before I show you the wand. It's clouds. It's so cute, isn't it? This is a cloud mascara in black. I haven't tried this one. I've tried another Swede one, I think. So we got a cloud mascara. Then we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Brow Freeze, a brow styling wax. And this is full size. There. This is nice. I remember like this being huge when it first came out. It's one of the original sort of brow gels. Yeah. Really, really great. It doesn't leave your brows solid and it doesn't like flake or anything like that. Well, not my experience anyway. It's a nice brow gel, especially if you do like sort of a laminated look, where I like the front of my eyebrows to be laminated, or not laminated, but look like they're laminated, where going up and flat, and then I like to smooth. I've got hardly any hair, so I really don't know what I'm talking about really, but I just try and make the most of what I've got. So there's that, and then lastly we've got a NARS palette. So this is a quad eyeshadow in Orgasm. Oh, beautiful. I'll just take that away. Look, look, look. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I really like that. So we've got 3 shimmery ones and 1 matte. They are beautiful, aren't they? They're really, really pretty. I really, really like that. Gorgeous shades. So there you go, those are all the products in this year's Lookfantastic beauty chest. As of yet, it's not on sale, but as soon as I know, I will let you know. So make sure you're following me everywhere to be notified. If you are a subscriber, no doubt you will have a discount, and also Fantastic may give me a discount code as well, so I can share with non-subscribers. I do have a permanent code, which is DIARYLF, and that can be used site-wide. It can be used on some of the beauty boxes as well, but usually just when they are first released, and then after that the code doesn't work, but I will let you all know anyways. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.